Hello! Welcome to Bongo IoT's tutorial videos. Let's see how to set an alert on the Bongo IoT platform. In order to set the alert, the user has to go to the settings option in general and click on the alert option. Here's the alert overview screen displaying for the set user. The user can click the new button to set a new alert. The user must choose the company, branch, and object for which the alerts are produced for, here. Alert name and type. The alert name can then be provided. The user now needs to choose the alert type. Now, the value must be chosen based on the alert type that was chosen. In this instance, to enter the GEO fence alert, the GEO fence for which the alert must be generated must be chosen. Text. The user can specify text that needs to be displayed while the alert notifications are generated in the text option. Valid date. And the user has the option to select the valid days, the valid from time zone, and to time zone. Action. The user has to select the action that will be taken to communicate the alert, either by notifications, email, or SMS. Notification. In case of notifications, the user needs to select the users for which the notification has to be delivered. Email. And the email address on which the email has to be delivered. SMS. The mobile number to which the SMS must be sent is the last item. To create a new alert, the user can click the Save button. Thank you.